We had a bit of a issue on travel day. We were driving down the road and the check engine lights started blinking. We got somewhere safe and checked the codes and it was misfiring. It was saying on 2 and 8. Long ordeal. Roadside service was not a help. Called around for mobile mechanics.
Hi, this is Daniela with Camping Pups RV. We are still in Ashland, but we managed to find somebody that was willing to come out after a million phone calls trying to find anybody. Apparently trying to get somebody who works on RVs that was willing to come out was like finding a needle in a haystack, literally, because it was like really ridiculous. So right now we have Mobile Solutions Auto and Machine Repair, and that's his phone number. So he is currently working on our RV. He did a computer diagnostic both with the engine on and with the engine off. He's in the process of changing the coil pack. So we had to run to Advance Auto to do all that because it's like, okay, either way we're paying for this. So we might as well just suck up the cost and just get it ourselves rather than him add it to whatever he's doing right now.
I'll make sure I get that bolt in there. It's not cross-threaded. This one, you squeeze the little clip on that, and then it just unplugs. And then there's one 8mm bolt that holds it in place. And you always want to put dielectric grease on that to keep it from fusing to the spark plug.
All right, welcome, Brian from Camping Pups RV. Long ordeal. Called around for mobile mechanics. Got a hold of John here. He was absolutely excellent. Was able to come right out and take care of it. And I'll let him tell you real quick what we found and how we did that.
After reading the codes off of the scan machine, it's a very common problem with the Triton engines that they have spark plug and ignition coil issues. So after learning what type of engine it was and verifying that the ignition coils had gone bad, it was pretty easy fix. A little difficult to get to, but just put a couple of new coil packs on there. They're ready to go down the road.
Excellent. And what I really want to say here too is thank John. We have a large RV pub, so I couldn't tow. And I tried calling several places. They either work only diesel because they're the big rigs, or just regular trucks, not RV. And he's one of the only ones I got a hold of that wasn't afraid to work on a Class C RV because the engine is still a Ford truck. And I really appreciate getting us out of the bind here. And thank you very much.
You're very welcome. It was nice to meet you guys. And for everybody watching, our company name is Mobile Solutions Auto and Machine Repair. We're located out of Chesterfield, Virginia, just off of exit 58 on I-95.
If you ever need anything, especially with a gas RV or other vehicles, I would highly recommend them.
And you can look us up on Google, Mobile Solutions Auto and Machine Repair.
Be sure to like and subscribe for more RV tips.